What's up, ladies and gentlemen? What's going on today, guys? Day number 16 of Demolition. They're into the building today. And this place over here, they still got customers in there. They're getting closer and closer to this corner. I don't know how the heck they still got electric. It's got to be on a different grid. Yep, totally tearing it apart. Totally. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit more. Sorry about the shakiness, guys. My hands are cold. There we go. That's as far as I can zoom in. That's the cold one I heard today. Yep, they're ripping it apart. Now you got the bulldozer right there, moving stuff. Guy in the excavator over there, he's just talking to his buddy. I don't know what the heck those drums are for, but they gotta be for something. And it's snowing again, boys. Look at the snow. Wow. I don't know how many inches are we going to get today, but looks like we might get a few inches. It is, let's see, 21 degrees out, boys. They got the heat all the way up. I just got done pumping gas. Man, my hands are frozen. There's a lot of traffic on gas today. Look at all this traffic. Yep, they're tearing this sucker apart. They're taking the life out of this old building. Yeah, they said this is supposed to be 3,600 square feet. Or 36,000 square feet. I just wonder if this is going to be big enough for a movie theater and the parking and the rest of the businesses they're going to put in here. Don't know. We're going to have to wait and see. You figure the building all the way back there on the other side, they would have took that over to make it 10 times bigger, but I guess the owner that owns that just wants to keep it empty. That mall all the way back there is empty too. There's nothing in there. It's all run down. It's like he's collecting tax money off it. Yep, he just brought out a big old piece of metal. That kind of looks like roofing metal that goes on the roof before they put the paper and tar. So that's what he's bringing out right now. Yep. Nope. He's having a easy time trying to get out of here. Oops, she was spinning her tires just a little bit. It's kind of slick right there. Man, look at all that dust over there. That's a lot of dust. Yeah, this is just pretty cool sitting here just watching that kind of stuff. Just makes you think about how much time goes into it, tearing down a building this size. It's a lot of time. Because all the metal's got to be put in one power. All the concrete's got to be put in one power. Everything from a building this size is all recyclable. He's gonna have a hard time. He's got a railroad drive. Yep, he was spinning. Looks like he's got a donut on the back too. Yep, they still got customers in there gambling and doing all that crazy stuff. Figured that place would have said, okay, they're working on this building now. Okay, it's time to close up. But they haven't done it yet. They're still making money while they can. I wonder why they still have these dump trucks full. I wonder why they didn't dump them over there by the concrete yet, or bricks. Or maybe they just don't want to start, maybe. That could be the problem. Well, that's right behind me. There's Speedway right there. There's the vape shop right across the street. And there's this place. Well, ladies and gentlemen, take it easy. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all the support. Remember, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Bye, guys.